Day 4 of 18 in 2018 takes us right back to the Sequence Executor window, where we'll use the command options to trigger other cues. As always, let's start with backing up our show and renaming it to reflect the day. If you don't have the show file, take a second to download it from the link in the YouTube description or at my website, Consoletrainer.com. If you take a look at the cue list labeled Simple on page 1 and play it back, you can see it lives up to its name. The first cue, Setup, simply places our lights. The next few cues give us a couple of looks that we'll use for this example. I'm using MA3D in this video, but you can also just look in the stage view for this exercise. Let's say that in Q2, we want to start a chase that changes the color of the Sharpies, and we want it to automatically play when we trigger Q2. First off, we need to build that chase. So I'll grab the Upstage Sharpies and open the preset view, select Slot Color, and I'll store a few color choices to a new executor. I'm picking Executor 14. I'm going to label this Color Chase, and I need to tell it to be a chase by going into the Assign menu, clicking Options, and then Chaser. Now we have a super simple chase. Back in the cue list window for our simple list, find the command cell for Q2 and either encoder click or right click on it. This essentially opens up a command line within the cue. The options for what you can do here are exponential, and I'm keeping this video focused on triggering chases, so we're not going to get into those options today. Now that my command line is open, I can either use the keyboard to type in my command, or you can just use the actual console keys. I want to play the chase, so I'll hit Go Plus, Executor, 1.14 please. If you're on a console, after hitting Go Plus, you can just tap any key on Executor 14. The reason I'm saying 1.14 is to specify that I want to trigger what's on Executor 14 of page 1. So now, if we start at the top of our simple sequence, when we get to Q2, the chase will automatically run. There's probably a moment you want to stop the chase, so let's do that as well. In the command cell for Q3, let's right-click on it and press Off, Executor 1.14, please. Like I said, the options here are almost endless, so play with putting other commands into your cues to see what might be helpful for you.